Introduction. Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in Ireland. With its rich culture, vibrant history, and breathtaking landscapes, Ireland is a treasure trove of hidden gems and iconic landmarks waiting to be discovered. Join us on this exciting journey. Dublin. The vibrant capital. Dublin buzzes with life, blending historical significance with modern charm. Key attractions like Trinity College and the Book of Kells showcase its rich heritage. Explore the vibrant nightlife in Temple Bar and celebrate Dublin's legacy as a literary hub of renowned authors. The Cliffs of Moher. Nature's majesty. The Cliffs of Moher rise dramatically 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, offering breathtaking views. Explore scenic walking trails and the informative visitor center for an immersive experience. These iconic cliffs have also featured in popular films and are vital for local ecology. Galway. The cultural heart. Galway pulses with creativity, hosting vibrant festivals that celebrate local culture throughout the year. Stroll through the colorful streets of the Latin Quarter, filled with unique shops. As a UNESCO City of Film, Galway showcases its rich cinematic heritage and artistic spirit. Ring of Kerry. Scenic splendor. Embark on a journey through the breathtaking landscapes of the Ring of Kerry, where picturesque towns and villages dot the route. Experience diverse scenery, from majestic mountains to serene lakes and stunning coastlines. Don't miss the chance to hike and cycle these trails. Belfast. A city of transformation. Discover Belfast's rich history alongside its modern developments, starting with the iconic Titanic Quarter and its attractions. The city's vibrant arts scene and cultural landmarks reflect its creative spirit, while ongoing efforts for peace and reconciliation shape Belfast's evolving narrative. Conclusion. Ireland offers a diverse array of experiences, from vibrant cities to stunning landscapes. We encourage you to explore these remarkable destinations for yourself. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more exciting travel content.